Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you like how to make a text drawing motion. So let's see how to do it. So first go to the plus button, then choose 1:1 and then create project. Then choose a rectangle tile and fit to the screen. Now choose the color to black. Now go to the plus button, then choose the text option. Now write here flow motion. You can write anything you want. Choose color any you want. I choose yellow. Choose any font you want. Just big now. Now just stretch this clip. Yes. Now choose this style, flow motion one. Just tap on the add effect. Now go to the search option and write here drawing. Drawing progress. See here, this one, drawing progress. Now tap on the last one like flow from start to end. Just tap on it and see. Here you go. You can add any color you want and any text you want. Now we can change the color of a flow motion. So go to the tile. Now choose the color option and then just tap on the keyframe like first one and then just add here color. I go with cyan. Then move tile a bit. See, that's look good. And if you want to see this type of tutorial, then do subscribe, like, and if you have any issues then comment it. And thank you for watching.